Your TCL TV's screen has turned green, and your first thought is a dead panel and an expensive repair. Hold on, in most cases this is a cheap 2-minute fix. Let's work the ladder before you call anyone. 3 things cause almost every green screen. Most common, a loose or damaged HDMI cable that drops the red or blue channel, leaving only green. Second, wrong picture settings, usually color cranked too high. And third, outdated firmware with a bug in the color processor. Each has a clean fix. Start with the cable, because it's the top cause. Unplug the HDMI from both ends, wait 10 seconds, and push it back until it clicks. We tested this on a 2023 TCL S4. A certified 18 gigabit cable cleared the green field instantly. Still green? Try a different port. If that fixes it, the original port had a bent pin. Next, your picture settings. On that same TCL S4, cranking the color setting to 100 produced a green cast, and dropping it back to 50 fixed it immediately. If you're not sure what changed, just reset picture settings to default and start fresh. If it's still green, update the firmware. Roku OS 12.0 had a bug that locked the color processor to a single channel after the TV went to sleep, and the 12.5 update patched that exact issue. Older 2021 and 2022 models may have separate color bugs that only the latest update fixes. And if cables, settings, and firmware all fail, then it's likely real panel damage, usually the backlight or the T-con board. Before you pay for a repair, check your warranty. Many TCL panels are still covered, and a board replacement isn't worth it on a budget set. That ladder clears the vast majority of green screens for free. For the Roku versus Google TV menu paths and the repair cost breakdown, search smarttvs.org.